Hey guys, Rob and Melissa here with Flea Market Flippers.
Hello, Merry Christmas.
Merry late Christmas if we missed you, but we're stoked to be on here and show you guys some of the finds that we have found for our vacation. We're up in Colorado. If you guys that don't know that right now, we're visiting Melissa's family up here. Small little mountain town, population 10,000. It's one of the biggest counties in the state of Colorado. So, but it's a small town. It's pretty sweet. We found 3 killer thrift stores while we're up here.
And there's no yard sales and no flea markets going on because it is like -2.
It's freezing outside.
-3 right now. So
yeah, we're not used to that cold, that snow. We're not used to it. So we're ready to get back home to the warm weather. But we got another week up here. We're gonna spend some more time up here, have some great time with family. But we are still
head back
shopping.
To the warmth.
That's it. We are still shopping up here while we're
Yes.
up here. We're finding some cool stuff. I'll show you one of our, actually 2 of our buys that we bought from one of the local thrift stores. It is I don't know if it's commercial or not. I know it's expensive, but it is a air purifier. It's made by Defender, I think it is. And we found these suckers at one of the thrift stores, paid $20 a piece for them. I should be able to get $200 a piece, so $400 out of a $40 investment. So that was a great find we found.
That was the day after Christmas.
The day after Christmas. I'm excited to go back. We're going to go to some more thrift stores tomorrow, see what we can find. Super excited to go back and check out some more stuff. They had some good stuff that we didn't buy while we were there, but we'll go back and see what other deals we can find tomorrow.
Yeah, and on Christmas Eve, we visited, we only found one thrift store that was open. The other 2 were closed that were in the town, but we did find a couple of shoes. So we're doing a shoe challenge with our members right now. So we don't buy a lot of shoes usually, but we're learning the shoes.
Yeah.
So we bought these Stetson boots. We bought them for $11. They should make around, I think, like 75 to 100. So once they're cleaned up, they got to be cleaned up, and they're a little unique. So that's cool and fun. And then these ones I really like too. They got a lot of fur. They're really pretty, and they're they're not used at all. They don't have any wear on the tread.
Soles,
so they should make around 50 or 60.
Super stoked. We usually wouldn't, like we said, do shoes. We don't do a ton of small stuff unless we can make some great money on it, which these $50 to $100, that's decent money for small items.
Yeah.
So super stoked about that. We're going to start experimenting with some shoes, with some other small stuff.
But we're running a contest with our group, so
that's the biggest reason why we did it.
We have to compete with them.
That's it.
Right?
So I think, what do we have now? We bought some pairs back in Florida.
I think we've got about 10 pairs, but they got to get them listed.
Yeah,
so.
That's our biggest thing, is listing the stuff that we're buying. So while we're up here on vacation, like I said, we'll try and stock up with a couple more things before we go back and get them listed and get all that stuff done. But the majority of her family just left today, and now we'll have the next couple days to actually start getting some stuff together, do a little bit more work on the business and that kind of stuff. So,
but don't let being in a small town intimidate you, because he's been online searching the app, see what he can find. Last year we were up here and he bought a 4-wheeler out in the middle of nowhere.
Found a crazy deal on some tires. I found a car up here, a Cadillac car for $1,000. It's probably a $4,000 to $5,000 car, but I don't know how to get it back to Florida without having to pay to get it back there. So I'm looking at everything. Anything that I can make money on, that's what we're looking for. So if I can finagle that deal somehow, I don't know if I'll do it or not, but we'll see how it goes. But like I said,
a trailer. We cannot bring stuff home.
We didn't. We just brought an extended hitch on the back of the back of our SUV. That's how we traveled. So I'm limited. I found some other good stuff, but don't let being in a small town stop you from getting out there and finding some cool stuff. Now up here, it's a little too cold for yard sales. There won't be yard sales tomorrow, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah,
with the snow and the cold.
It is so cold.
Yeah. So, but there are a ton of online apps. There are other ways to be able to find cool things. Check out those thrift stores.
And they really do have great thrift stores, probably because they can't have yard sales.
That's it.
And like the one we went to, half the stuff was consignment and half was thrift store. So a lot of people bring their stuff to the thrift store because they can't get rid of it.
Yeah.
So they let the thrift store take care of it. So
these purifiers were actually on consignment. If they had been in the store, they were actually doing 25% off, and we would have got them even cheaper if they were the store owned them to sell them. So they had some consignment stuff that we couldn't get the deal on, but still, it was a heck of a deal at $20 that we couldn't pass them up. So
now you gotta take pictures and list them.
That's it. I cleaned cleaned them up when we got them. They look great. I left them running for 24 hours, make sure everything was running all right on them and everything was working, which they passed the test. Everything's cool. So we're throwing them bad boys on there. Like I said, hopefully make $200 a piece on those jokers. Yeah, that'll pay our gas money to get back home. So don't discount that stuff when you're on vacation. Check that stuff out. Make your money so you can pretty much pay for your vacation if you have to.
Yeah,
so
we like to do that.
Anything else to add?
I don't think so. I think that's it. We're going to go back tomorrow is the goal, right?
Yeah.
Tomorrow, look for some more stuff.
Back to the thrift store. So we did, if you guys didn't get our email, we sent out an email on the way up. We decided we were going to throw a workshop. Workshop?
Yeah, workshop.
6-week workshop, guys. Super, super stoked about that.
About freight shipping.
That's it. Try to help people get their feet wet with freight shipping, get all their questions answered, jump in there with that. So definitely, if you didn't see that, check your emails. We put some information in there. You can check that stuff out too. So
yeah, it's geared towards furniture flippers. So if you're not a furniture flipper, that's okay. If you want to get into the big items, which we do a lot of, then we're going to talk about UPS, FedEx, and a lot of freight shipping.
Yep.
So that's going to be what it is. So
that's it.
I'll put a link below when we're done. So in case you're interested.
Cool.
All
right, guys. If we don't see you before, Happy New Year. Super stoked for you guys.
Yeah.
What else you got?
That's it.
All right. See ya.
Merry Christmas. Bye.